meet my friends?
Bird, I think maybe it's true.
What?
I think I am imaginary.
Oh, no, you're real.
No, because I was there, your friends were there, and they didn't see me, even when the kids told them I was there.
Well, they probably didn't look when they should have.
Oh, Bird, my poor mommy.
What?
That means she's probably imaginary, too.
Oh, no. Oh, no, you're real. I couldn't catch you if you weren't real.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters N and T, and by the number 6. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.